Hey up Duck, are you looking for a better, cheaper, easier way to get more kids at your school swimming? Welcome to Time4Swimming, where we bring our mobile pool to you, heated to a comfortable 29 to 31 degrees. Right now, 1 in 4 children leave primary school unable to swim 25 metres or perform basic self-rescue. With Time4Swimming, we're changing that. Our mobile pool is 9.75 metres long and 4.8 metres wide. On site, there'll be 2 qualified teachers and lifeguards who will deliver safe, expert lessons. With the pool on school grounds, pupils can enjoy up to 25 hours, which are around 50 lessons a week, which means more water time for current learners and new starters, even in early years. Our bespoke timetable fits your class schedule, space, staffing and events. The pool sits inside a secure, temporary building with lockable doors, giving peace of mind outside of school hours. Energy efficient heating and commercial grade filtration cut running costs and keep the water crystal clear. Best of all, improved swimming outcomes are just steps away from the classroom. Time4Swimming, making lessons easier, more affordable and accessible for every child.